Okay guys, in this first video I'm going to show you how to download Anaconda, and this is how we get started. So we're going to go to www.anaconda.com/download. I'll put a link in the description for the video, and you're going to see this page, something similar to this, and you can click downloads here, and that's essentially where this is. We're going to go here, Python 3.7. We're going to click download here. You're going to save it to your desktop. That'll download. Once it's done, you're going to run it. Now, I'm not going to run it because I already have it, but you're going to run it and follow the installation steps. And once you get to this step right here, you're going to make sure you check off both boxes. The first one, which is add Anaconda to the system path environment variable, and then the second one, which is register Anaconda as the system Python. It'll be a higher number than this. This is an old image, but it'll be register Anaconda as the system Python 3.7, probably is what it's going to say. And then once you get that, you come into your search bar and you search for Anaconda Navigator, and you click on that and you open that up, and you're going to see something like this. This is Anaconda Navigator. It comes with a ton of tools: Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, IPy, Qt Console, Spider. Spider is the one that we're interested in. It's the one we're going to use. So Spider is the one that I use to code up everything I code in Python, all my Python projects. It's a great development environment, and you're free to choose any IDE you want, but I'd recommend using Spider and Anaconda. So we're going to click on launch for this. I already have it open here, so it comes up and we have something like this. And in here we can type our code, right? You can do print hello world, and we can run that and it'll come out in the console over here. So that's all we have for installing Anaconda. You should do that. It's the #1 data science distribution. Everybody uses it. It's popular. It's good. I'd recommend it. So thanks for watching the video. Please leave a comment and rate the video. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you disliked it. Thanks for watching.